The key components of ship tallow refining equipment typically include melting tanks, filtering systems, cooling units, and packaging machines. Each component plays an essential role in ensuring high-quality tallow production. For example, in addition to initial purchase costs, buyers should also consider operational expenses, maintenance requirements. For those interested in purchasing this type of equipment, conducting thorough research into different suppliers and models is highly recommended. Comparing quotes from multiple vendors can help you find the best value for your investment. Additionally, ultimately, investing in quality ship tallow refining equipment not only ensures efficient production, but also contributes to long-term profitability by delivering consistent results and reducing waste. Whether you're operating a small-scale business or managing a large factory,